I'm gonna cook pancit bihon for the first time, and these are the ingredients. This is just pork and the liver, the cabbage, carrots, spice, the beans, and I have the shrimp here. And these are the things that I'm gonna use. Okay, let's do this. Pan is ready with oil. Take this first. Take the garlic. Make it golden brown. Takes like 1 minute. Put the pork. Put the pork. After the garlic, I put the pork, and then I will season with salt and pepper and sear it. Look at this pork already seasoned. Just cover it in a while. My first time to cook pancit on noodles. This is a protein dish. I use pork instead of chicken. Okay, pork is simmering. Now I'll do another here for the vegetables. All is there. Now I'm gonna put the liver. It's already cooked actually. The chicken. One piece is not chicken, this is pork. The liver and the heart is like that of a chicken. Other side, this side's golden brown. Beans now, sorted, beans, and then after this will be the carrots. Putting some a bit of potatoes. Just loading the carrots. This is enough vegetable. It's a broth. Okay, put a little bit of broth. See, I put some pepper to it. It's just green pepper. Looks good already there. The meat is already cooked. I tried it. Next is I put some water. At this time, I'm just gonna put this for 1 minute. Mix it here. Cabbage. The other is already here. It's already like cooked. Just this one, mix it. I just want to do this so the taste will be there. Put oyster sauce, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some water and I'll mix them together. So now I ready the pan. I just use instead of water the vegetable broth for the noodles. Boil it. If it's not enough, just add water. So the broth is already boiling. Put the bihon here. See, I already seasoned this with the soy sauce, otherwise the broth. This is crazy, see that? Because I don't have a big pan, so first time to cook this one. Oh, see, it's already dry. Just mix it. I think it's already cooked. Use this thing. Fork. No tools. First time I'm not a cook really. Just trying to experiment on this one because it's the birthday of a friend, a pastor. So I just cooking for her. Let's do this. Let's pour the thing. Yeah, just yeah, good. That's just liquid. Yeah, okay. This is the pancit. And then the other ingredients that I pre-cook. Yeah, this one have liquid like this. Bring it. Nice. Oh wow. Now we just need to mix it. Wow. So this is the finished product of the pancit bihon. Wow, delicious.